do we have 5 minutes? Maybe like so. I just wanted to give you an example of research like of mountain goats, right? So how mountain goats survive on those cliffs. This was done by this Chris. So what Chris did was like went to the Peak District and then did so much divergent thinking about interfered with the problem of slopes by introducing this hypothetical hypothesis, different hypotheses about what it means to be surviving on a cliff, and then they converged to a single piece hoof without ever touching a mountain goat. And then we understood that the hoof should have these features, right. So, we had divergent features like okay, compliance in this direction, compliance in the pitch, and then these sharp edges, and then the edges, sides of the edges in these shapes. But then we realized like actually we can combine these features to simple features and then finally end up converging, independently converging to a hoof that looks like a mountain goat hoof, right. And then not exactly like a mountain goat, but it can do the things the mountain goat hoof does, right. So, this is Chris climbing Peak District slopes. Actually, today he is in Peak District, so that is why he cannot. Vasco made a leg for him, a hoof leg for him, and then he is testing that. I have a few slides, but I will maybe stop here, and then I will go to Yukun's. This is Peiyu's work, which is continuing these ideas. Like so, this manipulator had this soft fingertips that solves the problem on its own without really thinking or planning about grasping objects, natural objects. So, this is Yukun's work again, like he got inspiration from this leaf that can go in one direction like that fish, and then he did a lot of divergent thinking about these origami structures, and then finally he came up with a capsule or a colonoscopic probe that can go and look for anomalous tissue in colons. This is a simulated colon. Yeah, so I will